Hi everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to enable or disable the low blue light filter in your Samsung Galaxy S25 FE. At first open settings and here go down until you see the display. Here as you can see you have eye comfort shield, enable that and tap that. Here as you can see you have adaptive, which automatically adjusts your screen's colors based on your time of the day. And here they have custom, color temperature as you can see over here, and schedule the time sunset from sunrise was in the application. So we have to set it actually to always on, or as I said, custom start in the end. And that's how it works. That's it, how it helps you, and goodbye.